Hi there, what's up? Today I have a wonderful tutorial for you and highly recommended to not lose it. So let's go to learn it. First, you should ask someone to take a video of you, like video I'm showing to you. Then go to the CapCut and split some part of the video. After you divide it to small videos, then go to the speed section. Increase the speed of the clip once in between and don't adjust the others, or very slightly you can slow them down. For example, I increased the speed of the clip 8.8 times faster once in between. And then export the clip. Open the CapCut again and go to the motion blur. Set the blur to 70 and blend to 19 and direction to both and times to 4. Then go to the effects and from video effects, set the effect to Smart Sharpen for the entire of the video and set the adjustment of it like I showed. Then for the middle of the clip, set the video effect to wobble and set the adjustment of it like I showed. Range to 53, rotate to 68 and speed to 12. So that is the result. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and share this tutorial with your friends.